You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. To begin this project, you'll need some gift-wrapped tissue paper. Get a high-quality tissue paper. I'm going to use 2 sheets and scrunch it into a ball for texture. And then I'm going to layer it on top of some paper towels. Spritz water all over all the paper. I begin adding DIY paints. They are watered down. And I'm just dripping the color into the wet paper. And then I will heat set because I'm impatient before I choose the next color. And then very lightly, we'll paint some leaves and we'll add some extra color. I never learned how to swim. Do y'all know how to swim? I've left it overnight. It's dried. I was mixing some more water into this paint and oopsie, I spilled. But that's okay. It's not a problem. We're just going to blend it out. And the idea was the white would be highlights anyhow. In elementary school, we took swimming lessons every Friday for a month, so 4 weeks, and I never learned how to swim. I'm going to add this pigment powder. It's activated with water. Oops, I've added too much powder right here. It's okay. I'm just going to put the pile of it over here on the side. We'll just use that as my little palette. You can see the flowers are emerging. The main key here is to work with it. Keep it wet. My paints are watered down and use a light touch to it. I do let it dry in between the colors when I don't want them to blend into each other. I will either heat set dry it or I'll let it dry overnight. And then when I come back to work on it again, I will re-wet the entire project. Because I couldn't trust to float. And by 6th grade, I was still with the kindergartners. But some reason, I'm drawn to the water. I better not get in it and swim.